During this lockdown, they wanted us to work from home, had laptop, so said yes. But when we wanted to drink from home, we had no stock. So we decided to make our own drink, Desi Daaru. For this, use an earthen pot, like in the picture, or a glass jar. Add 2 liters of tender coconut water to the pot, 5 tablespoons of sugar or powdered sugar, and mix it well. Add 1.5 tablespoons of yeast. You will get this in your local grocery store. Mix it well. Cover it with a cloth. Please do not close it like an airtight container. Now let this be covered for 26 hours in a cool, dry place. The duration is for the fermentation process. After 26 hours, remove the cloth, stir it well, and now keep it in the fridge for a couple more hours for cooling. Now your Desi Daaru is ready. If you have never had it before, the taste and smell might not match with your whiskey. But hey, it will keep you in high spirits.